Well, hello and welcome to the Uber exclusive Covert Campers New Year's party. I've only sent out like 100 applications, but I guess people are going to be fashionably late because there's like 10 to midnight and nobody's here yet. Ooh, that reminds me, I should probably put out some more refreshments because I don't want to get caught short. Put some. Okay, these are not for you. These are people refreshments. Better put them. God, where can you find a spot that they can't get to them? But anyway, let me check. Because maybe it's traffic. Because that's what people said last time. I remember that it was traffic. Very exclusive. Let's see. Anyway. Like it's just traffic so far. Probably gonna be here any minute. We'll probably be here any minute. Probably. Anytime.